In this video, let's learn how do we divide 312 by 2 using the long division method. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 1 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, so in this case we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. And we know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 312 divided by 2 is equal to 156. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.